going to a buffet. It's gonna be like 2:30 p.m. and we won't have eaten anything, so we'll be nice and hungry. And we both strategically wore our comfiest pants. I'm I'm hungry. I'm ready to eat some sosu. There are so many people here. This is so crazy. You can't see, but there's a giant line around the back. Feels like I'm going to the club. Have a bar where you can get different drinks. This is the drinks menu. I'm gonna get a brown sugar milk tea. That's what they taught. Yeah, I'm gonna take my chance till I drop. You know this ain't the time for the two of us. I ain't got space. Plate number 2. And they got some tacos. Yeah, my giant piece compared to her small sad piece. Grilled mochi. Oh, can you hand me one? Oh my god. I know I'm not supposed to mix raw and cooked, but I did it anyways. Whoops. I'm gonna try this. Ooh, really good. Try yours. It's a little watered down. I'm gonna try my roast. Oh my god, what century are we in? This is so crazy. Okay, dessert break. This is not the final round, but it's just a little break. Fast cheesecake. This one good? Not bad. Hot! Okay,
So
we're done. We're so full.
I need to shop for a long time.
I need to lay down. No dinner today. Oh my god, my stomach hurts. Am I cramping or am I full? So festive.
So festive.
Happy Friday! We have a late start to the day, but we are on our way.
It took us an hour to figure out what we're gonna eat.
We took the day off from work, so we do not have to stress out about that. Although, I have a meeting at 6:30 a.m. and my manager has not told me whether I need to go or not, so that's really annoying. Also, I feel like I've become way more critical of prices now. Like before, when I hopped off the plane, I was like, wow, everything's so cheap. But now when a bread is like $2, I'm like, can't afford that.
We also have no money.
We're running low on cash, and you need cash to survive here.
What does this mean?
This is the noodles. Oh, you got the one with meat? Okay, and this is the braised pork rice, my favorite.
Okay, what should we start with? This, of course.
What's this? We're really scared of getting food poisoning in Vietnam. We're not allowed to drink anything with crushed ice. We can only eat at restaurants with high turnover. What else? We need to brush our teeth with tap water.
No,
Bottled water. Vegetables are a little sketchy or something. Raw vegetables.
How do I eat summer rolls?
Oh, there she is. Look how big and beautiful she is. We're going to the Chiang kai-shek Memorial Hall.
Yeah, he's 5'8".
And Angela's looking up how tall Tommy Holland is.
And then they is 5'10". I was so great.
They have a Tim Burton exhibition, but unfortunately we are out of money and we have many, many weeks left. How do you feel about being broke in this country?
I'm also broke in America.
Oh. Too bad it is gloomy because it is quite nice. Are you climbing up those steps?
No.
She got the white top, I want to spend my life with you, We got the sunset going down, I just want you now, yeah. Look at the clouds, the orange, the gold, the sky is nice. I like the way the roof's gone.
Shaved ice cream. What about you? Oh. Really? Okay. This is like the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Not the taro. Okay, folks, we're going to donki Hote. Wait, this is the checkout? I don't think so. I don't know what anything is, but it all looks good. Oh. Other way. There is so much stuff. I did not know Japan had this many products. These things are so good. The cooked disasters.
I'll buy some presents here before I leave.
Really? Wow. Not bad. I would get that.
I feel like Donki Hote is like the craziest one.
I was gonna say, it feels like we're in an amusement park. We're like walking in the line to get to the ride. They have their own theme song here. And I think I've memorized it by now. Hey, dinner time! We're getting some oyster vermicelli. Sounds weird, but it's really good. If you like cilantro. If you don't like cilantro, it's not for you. This is the place to get it. Time to eat. Nom 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 nom.
I got garlic. I love garlic.
Oh, double scoop garlic. Oh, triple scoop garlic. This is some of my favorite Taiwanese food. We're back to doing this once again. Uh-oh. Oh my god, no, 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 no. I see that you want to do it again.
Oh, I can't get that one.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, no! It's stuck! Okay, we're on our way to get lunch. We made it to the noodle place, and it seems like there's a line, which is not great. I finally have fresh nails again after 2 weeks. Look at how good they look.
没有。好，汤面帮我分开吃，鸭血跟肉可以在后面那个餐架。
好，
加汤加辣再跟我。
好，谢谢。I got the clear one. I got the spicy one. Doing a little walk from Zhongshan to ximending, and we're gonna buy the spaghetti shirts that we saw yesterday.
And other stuff.
Yes, I think Angela's gonna get a little puffer. What else?
I have to wear it on the plane.
Yeah, so we overpacked. It's so cute, I'm gonna puke. Update, it's really pink and cute, but the stuff is pretty much the same. This is my absolute favorite bread, these things, and they have different flavors here. They have salted egg yolks. I think this is the original. We have to get one of each. Garlic. This is mentaiko. And then this is also garlic. And this is peanut. Oh my god, this is so amazing. I love you so much. We're going to the boat party. We don't really know what to expect, but we're going on a boat. That's all we know. What a lovely view. Here's our yachty. Little yachty. You made me carry the heaviest thing.
I wish I could holler at you, baby. I'm just not natural. You like fancy, classy effort. There's no dress shirts in my dresser.